The secret life of the moon. The moon has always been one of the most mysterious objects in the night sky. It shines bright because it reflects the light of the sun, not because it has its own light. For thousands of years, people have looked at the moon and created stories about it. Some thought the moon was a goddess watching over the earth. Others believed it had magic powers that could change human emotions. Even today, many people feel peaceful and inspired when they look at the moon at night. The moon is Earth's only natural satellite, and it moves around our planet once every 27 days. This movement causes the different shapes we see, called phases of the moon. Sometimes we see a full circle, and sometimes just a small part of it. These phases happen because the sun lights the moon from different angles as it moves. The moon also controls the ocean tides on Earth through its gravity. That means the moon helps create the rhythm of life on our planet. Long ago, astronauts traveled to the moon for the first time in 1969. The mission was called Apollo 11, and it was a big moment in human history. Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the moon, and he said his famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." They brought back rocks and learned that the moon is made of dust, stones, and craters. Scientists discovered that the moon was once part of Earth, formed after a huge collision. This amazing journey showed that humans can explore beyond our world. Today, scientists continue to study the moon with powerful telescopes and space missions. They want to understand how it affects the Earth and whether people could live there one day. Some countries are even planning to build bases on the moon to explore space further. The moon still holds many secrets we have not discovered yet. It reminds us that the universe is full of mystery and wonder. Every time we see it shining, we remember how small but special our world is in the vast space. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.